Guys, before we start, hit that subscribe button and trust me, you don't want to miss any of these easy YouTube tips. Alright, let's talk about those annoying videos YouTube keep recommending again and again. First, open your YouTube app and now go to your profile icon. Now tap on settings. Now you will see an option manage all history. Just click on it. Okay. Now just wait until it's load, and now you're gonna see an option here that is written delete. Okay, now just tap on that and you will see an option called delete all time. Just click on it and it will give you an warning about that the videos that you have seen will gonna be deleted from your YouTube. Okay, now just click on delete and now it will gonna completely delete all your history from your YouTube. Okay, now just go back and now you will see there is nothing that you have searched and now the feed is clear. Now if you want, you can also pause watch history and search history to prevent YouTube from tracking temporarily. Trust me, this will refresh your feed and make it much clearer. Now no more seeing weird videos 500 times. It's such a relief, right? If this video helped, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more quick YouTube hacks. And that's for it. Bye bye. Take care.